G'day guys, how's it going? Well, as promised on today's video, I'll be making cheesy, crunchy, homemade hash browns with sour cream and sweet chili on top. Okay, so let's hook in. So, for starters, I've peeled, this is for one serving, okay? So I've peeled 2 big potatoes and we'll hook in and grate them straight away. Alrighty, so there we have it. We've got 2 grated potatoes. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the potatoes under the tap to wash off all the excess starch. Okie dokie. Now most people at this stage will put the potato in a cheesecloth or a tea towel and squeeze out all the juice. But we don't have to do that because we're going to pre-cook our hashies before we make them. So I've got the pan heated up, pretty hot, and we're going to go straight in with the potatoes. Whoa, straight, bit of water coming out. Straight in with the potatoes. And I'm going to give them about 5 minutes to cook. Alright guys, through the magic of TV, it's been 5 minutes. Now, the potatoes are half cooked. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop them in this here bowl. And then add all our ingredients, boil them up, cook them up. Okay, doke? So, just go like so. In you go. Okie dokie. So, we'll leave the pan on and we'll put some oil in it. Ready for the next stage. Grandbaby's in the background. Alrighty, so what we do is I've got a finely cut small onion, so we pop that straight in. This is a very simple recipe, very simple, very quick. So 1 small onion, 1 egg, 1 cup of your favorite grated cheese. I'm using Aussie mozzarella. And now for, the binding agent, which is 2 dessert spoons of flour. 1, 2. Now the trick is with the binding agent, the flour, if you want a heavier hash brown, go 3 spoons. If you want a lighter one, just go 1 spoon. Alrighty, and now for some flavour. So what I've decided to use is freshly cracked black pepper. That's the first one. Then a little bit of salt. Thirdly, this is another one of my old favourites, all-purpose seasoning. This stuff goes with anything, it's great. Next one is onion powder. It's not onion salt, it's onion powder. And it's about half a teaspoon of that stuff. And finally, garlic and herb salt. Give us a bit of that. Now, you can put in some chili powder, some chili flakes, you know, all that sort of stuff if you want to make your hashies really hot. Or you can basically put in whatever you want. to get the flavour that you like. So we'll give this a bit of a mix. Now, this is going to be great. Now, the trick is with this stuff is you don't want neat, perfect edges. You want to chuck it in the pan, have it go a little bit like that, so you get these delicious little crispy edges. Alrighty, so let's chuck them in the pan. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Now resist the urge to squash them. You can push them down a little bit, but don't make them perfect. Okay? So yeah, just put them just a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah. The magic tally. I'll be back in 2 minutes when this first side's cooked. Alrighty guys, these fellas have been cooking for 5 minutes and now it's time to turn them over. So, here we go. One. I don't know why I count every time I do it. This isn't Sesame Street. Right, get back to you in another 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, it's been another 5 minutes and we're going to pull these bad boys out and get them ready. They smell delicious. Smell delicious, look delicious, and in about 2 minutes time we can confirm that they taste delicious. Alrighty guys, I just let these sit for a couple of minutes because if you plonk the sour cream straight on the hot one, it'll melt and go everywhere. Alrighty. Oh, first of all, hey camera lady.
Yes?
Why did the banana go to the hospital?
Why?
Because he wasn't peeling very well. Sorry guys, I had to put a dad joke in there. Alright, let's do this. Now, when you put the sour cream on top, I made a rookie mistake the other day. I shook it up in the carton, and then when I went to use it, it was like milk. It just went bleh everywhere. So don't shake up your sour cream. Alright, so here we go. Pull along. One nice blodge on every single one. That's squeaky grandbaby number 4 having a talk. Okay. Okay, and now on with the sweet chili. Now I got a few comments from people going, whoa, too much sweet chili. But then some people said, woohoo, perfect. So anyway, it's up to you. You do what you reckon's best. Sweet chili on top. Oh yeah. Wee doggy. Look at that. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, let's give these bad boys a taste test. Look at that. Now. Man, that is good. You know, it's crunchy, cheesy, a bit spicy. Got that beautiful creamy sour cream. That's pretty amazing. I reckon guys, I know it seems pretty weird putting sour cream and sweet chili with hash browns, but give it a go. It's awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to wind up this video. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And the next video is going to be how I make really light, fluffy scrambled eggs. See you later.